guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. I am doing great, but I have been going all over the place looking for different slushies. It's hot and I want certain slushies and nobody never have it. So with that being said, I got to be extra. So I bought me a Sprite and I bought me some Kool-Aid. I've been craving some grape Kool-Aid slushie. And I think I also have a pink lemonade slushie. Pink lemonade Kool-Aid. I will make that too. And I'm going to put them in cups. I'm going to freeze them. And there you have it. I'll have my not smoothie, I forgot what you even call them. Do you know my mind literally went blank? Like, then I would have my slushies. Again, I'm just going to just pour this Sprite inside of here, make me some Kool-Aid, pour them in some cups, freeze them overnight, and there you have it, some slushies. How many out there remember we used to do that when we was young? But we'll use those paper cups. I don't have the paper cups, though. The styrofoam cups, rather. Okay? And we call them, remember, I don't know if you know how to make Kool-Aid, but always make it with lukewarm water. And then put it in the freezer, because if you do it with cold water, the sugar and stuff don't stir right. Okay guys, so I am done with the lemonade. So I got the lemonade, I got the grape Kool-Aid, lemonade Kool-Aid, and then I got the Sprite. I've been craving these, but the way I'm gonna eat it, don't think I'm gonna eat them all in one. This is gonna be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is a great snack / sweet also, and they just good, like all good. I just could not find these. Every time I want some, I can't never find none. So I got to make it myself. So I just wanted to share it with you. Okay? And I'm going to freeze them overnight, and they're going to be so, so good. Let me know how many of y'all out there had this as a child. But like I said, we usually have it in a styrofoam cup, but I don't have a styrofoam cup. Okay? Bye. Hey, you guys. I'm going to cover it with these new bowl covers that I got. I love them. I love them. And you just cover them just like that. They just like little plastic things, and you just cover it up. So I'll put that on them. Let them freeze overnight, and they'll be ready tomorrow. Just took off all the little covers, and look how nice and yay, they are slushies. And the Sprite went high, so make sure if you use Sprite, you do not fill it up all the way to the top, because I think I filled it up right there. I guess it's the carbonation. And there we go, some lemon Kool-Aid. Yeah, so it'll be good for 3 days. Let me know, guys, if you make it. It's hot outside right now. Make these for your kids. Let your kids make them. This is something nice to be able to remember memories, because I know I remember these. We didn't really make them. We bought them. But, people don't sell them. We had a candy lady. So you just make it for them. That's something y'all guys can do that don't cost a lot of money, and that you'll always remember. Be blessed, guys. Don't forget to follow me for more. Bye.